Hello, good day, viewers. In this virtual class, we'll be looking at some questions involving logarithm and as well as um, equations that tend to lead to quadratic equations. So we're going to look at logarithmic equations, that tend to lead to a quadratic equation. Now, assuming we have a situation of have this given that log 27 to base 5 s squared plus 4x, this is the base, is equal to 1 whole number 1 over 2. Then find the value of x that satisfies this equation. This is 5s squared. Okay, but before we go look into this, first of all, we must have some basic definitions of logarithm. Now, from log, if we have log, let's say we have a to base b is equal to c. A, which is the logarithm we are trying to look for, is a is b raised to the power of c. So that is the definition of logarithm. So the logarithm of a number is the power to which the base must be raised to give that number. How many times? Okay, so it means that the power now, which is c, is the value of log a. How many times do you multiply this base? Okay, to give a, which is c, is simply the definition of a logarithm of a number. Now, with this, we could see that from here, this one simply become 27. Okay, so we have 27 here, which is the value of a here, 27. The base, which is 5 s squared plus 4x, which is b, and c is 1 whole number 1 over 2, and we can easily change that to improper fraction. So if we tend to change that one, it becomes 3 over 2. So there's need for us to remove this power on the right hand side. That's the only way we can move forward. Okay, so here, if we are removing this power here, this means we're going to multiply both sides, both power, by the inverse of 3, the multiplicative inverse of 3 over 2, which is 2 over 3. So here we become 27 raised to power 1 times 2 over 3 is equal to 5 s squared plus 4x raised to power 3 over 2 times 2 over 3. This is the only way you can clear all of these fractions. So you have to, first of all, ensure that the roots on the right hand side is removed. Okay, so this go with this. So if we look at this 27 here, so 27 can also be expressed as 3 raised to power 3 times what we have here times 2/3. So on the right hand side here we have a 5 s squared plus 4x. So if we look at here, let's go with this, and we are left with 3 squared is equal to 5 s squared plus 4x. So 3 squared means 3 times 3, which is 9. So we'll move everything to the right hand side here. This becomes 0. It's 5 s squared plus 4x. But this is positive, as it's coming here, become negative 9. So let's rewrite this in here. It becomes 5 s squared plus 4x minus 9 is equal to what? Equals to 0. Simply, we can see that this has, transformed into a simple quadratic equation. So let's see if this quadratic equation is factorizable by first of all multiply the term containing square by the constant term, and this gives minus 45 s squared. So all the factors of 45, 1 times 45 is one of the factors. 3 multiply 15 is another factor. What else again? 5 multiply 9 is another factor. These are all the factors of 45. So let's look at these factors of 45. Which of them can we either add or subtract to give us plus 4? Okay, so this one cannot do it. These two cannot do it. If you add them or subtract them, you cannot. But the third one here, we can manage it. Okay, so here, how do we get plus 4 here? Simply means that we're going to write this 5s squared plus 9x minus 5x, which will give for x, then minus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, so in that situation, here we can now group them. So what is common here? What is common here is x. So we got x. So here we have 5x plus 9. What is common here is just negative 1. So, and this become 5x plus 9 equals to 0. See that these two brackets are the same. So we're going to bring it out. So we factor it out. 5x plus 9 into x minus 1 equals to 0. Now, without being told, we always need the positive number. So that here x minus 1 is equals to 0, or x or 5x plus 9 equals to 0. But here, all we need is just the positive value. Okay, so if we look at this, we put it in this equation. We look at this here. This one is 1 square times 5 plus 4 times 1 is 9. So if you look at the log, if you check thoroughly, check log 27 to this 9. Using change of base, this becomes log 27 divide log what? Log 9. So common base of 3. So this give log 3 raised to 3 divide log 3 squared. So move this one behind, it becomes 3 log 3 divide 2, bring that 2 behind, log 2 log 3. So log 3 go with 3, which is 3 over 2, which satisfies the equation. So this is how to handle logarithm of this nature. First thing, you must know the definition of logarithm, what it entails. Please, if you find this piece of information useful, let me like, comments, follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also comment. See you in my next virtual class.